Another video. In this video what we are going to learn about classes, how to use classes in HTML and how these are helpful in using .css files. So in previous videos we have learned how to open close tags, we have learned to create divs, and we got to know how you can use tags in the div tag. So we are going to check how classes works in HTML and how they are helpful and how we can style each and different tag specifically in this style tag or .css file. So I have a div here. Now I want to give it a class, so I can give it in the opening tag class. Let's give it a name. For example, I have given it a class name nav. Now I can access this nav class, basically this div here, in this style tag, basically in style sheet. Now I can just style this class tag here. For example, let's give it a background color of aqua and let's reload it. You will see I have a background color of aqua here, and this is used when you have more than one divs and you can have several divs over the web page. Now I have another div. For example, now I want an h2 tag and I want to say this is my website. You will see, or my website is just created separately. My background color is just applied to the one div tag because I have used dot class here, and you can give every tag a class and you can access that in CSS file and you can style it specifically. So for example, for this div I can give it a class of nav1, and in this style sheet I want to give it a nav1 a background color of, for example, let's give it a background color of brown for differentiating, and let's reload it. You will see that the brown color is formed in the div. Now we have separate classes here in the divs and we can style it differently in the style sheet. For more videos you can subscribe my channel and follow this playlist for more HTML and CSS videos.